I'm gonna put it in low gear, and I'm gonna start out on, it has 5 pedal assist levels. I'm gonna start out on pedal assist level 2, see if we can make that happen. All right. So, okay, so actually I have it in 3rd gear and pedal assist level 2. Let's see if that works. Might have to try this multiple times. Anyway, you can see it's a pretty steep hill, people. May not look like it, but it sure is. It's already starting to climb. Oh boy. I don't know if pedal assist 2 is gonna do it, people. Might have to do pedal assist 3. Oh boy, is it pulling watts? You can tell I'm like really burning up watts here. Anyway, here we go. We're doing this. I think I got to about here on my SUPER73, or maybe just a teeny bit farther, even with all that momentum. This thing, freaking torque beast. Okay, so we're in 3rd gear on my gears. We're in pedal assist 3, and we're pedaling, and we're going, people. We are going. All right, look at this coming up. Wow. All right. This right here has got to be like 19 degrees, seriously. Like, Jesus Christ. Wow. All right. We're doing it, people. But it ain't easy. I don't think throttle would do it. Yeah, throttle wouldn't do it. Oh, God. All right. We're making it happen, though. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. You can also link to my video from a few weeks back where I climbed Mountain Gate Road in Los Angeles. And that was 19.2 degrees and over a mile long. It was freaking huge. 800 feet up or something like that. I will say I was a little disappointed in the SUPER73. I thought even with momentum I was gonna be able to get up it, but it was a lost cause, people. I tried it twice, never gonna happen. This thing, I gotta say, man, we're soaring at about 8 miles an hour. Really, they're gonna put a stupid little thing here? Really? To break my momentum? Well, chains are meant to be broken, people. Remember that. Right. Oh, it's gonna be tough to get back on now. All right. Oh, God. All right. We are continuing. The voyage continues. Let's see if we have a nice view of Thousand Oaks, Newbury Park area, California. Wow, we're like really picking up speed here, actually. We're going 10 miles an hour, people. Wow. Well, it's definitely leveling off. I don't know if there's like a big prize at the top, but like, I don't really even know why you'd come up here other than the view. And it is a nice view. But look at this, people. We're going 8 miles an hour. Like, really? That's freaking nuts. So, mid-drive, baby. Mid-drive. Oh my God. Wow. Whew. We did it, people. Holy bejesus. My goodness. Wow. Let's take a little view of the surroundings. So we got a nice panoramic. Oh my God, you guys see that road run right there? Holy shit. Seriously, there's a road runner right there. I don't know if you guys saw it. Oh my God. All right. Anyway, nice semi-panoramic view of Conejo Valley. There's my Bafang mid-drive little bike. All right. All right. I just realized this thing keeps going. So we're not quite at the top. We're just about there. Just a teeny bit higher. All right. It's getting a little steep here, people. See if we can do this. All right, might have to go into mode 5. All right. Oh. Hello. You didn't hear me. Today's youth with their headphones. Doesn't even know I'm here. Anyway, wow. There we go, people. Look at that view. And that's a panoramic. You guys seeing that? True panoramic. Wow. All right. Well, we did it. That was pretty cool. Oh. So unfortunately, people with Super 73s, unless you have, like, I guess somebody did it on a Z1. God bless the guy. But if you have, I guess, a Super 73 R, an S1, S2, RX, I guess you're not doing it. So, I don't know. I feel privileged just to be up here, you know? So, anyway. I'm hoping you guys saw that freaking Roadrunner, man. I didn't zoom in quick enough, but damn. A Roadrunner. And he even went, mate, mate. I swear to God. Just kidding. But anyway, that was really cool. So now we are descending, okay? And that is always a good time. So that's what's happening right now. And here we go. I won't try to see what kind of speeds I can get because I could so easily just flip off this trail. And that will be pretty bad, you know? We are going 21 though, so that's pretty fast. Whoa, shit. Oh man, I forgot about this stupid freaking chain. Jesus Christ. Let's see that dumbass chain right there. Really? Wow, I might need new tires because I think I just burned them all up. Brakes work. Oh man. Man, if GoPros could smell, you would smell the burning rubber right now. Wow, that was pretty cool though. All right. That was a little intense there, people. Wasn't expecting that. All right. We're going. We're hitting 23 like in a heartbeat. I let go of my brake for a second. We went to 23. Wow, 25, same thing. Man, it's like you gotta ride your brake down this thing. Or you're dead. DEAD dead. Cactus, cactus, cactus alert. All right. We're leveling out, people. We did it. We did it. Woo! Wow. I knew this thing could do it. You know? This thing's a freaking beast. Beast. Unbelievable beast. Anyway, that was pretty cool, people. Hopefully you enjoyed and you saw that, I don't know, man. Mid-drive's got the crazy torque, you know? And hub, not so much, you know? I tested a case and cabot yesterday. And then, you know, I have a Super 73 R, and there's just no way, you know? Even with the cabot, with the gears, there's just no way. There's no way you're getting up that freaking thing. It ain't happening, you know? So, yippee-i-o, mid-drive, people. Anyway, God bless, peace out.